How it's made. Fake tech support pop-ups.
Firstly, a scammer requests a pop-up on a Facebook page full of fellow scammers.
Scammer pop-ups can display a number which routes the call to various call centers, and this type of number will cost the scammers a fee to use, paid to the scammer who owns the number, who will also make profit off of the other scammers at the bottom of the scammer food chain.
In other cases, scammers sell pop-ups for other scammers to use for the prices that you will hear being discussed on a call that we had with a pop-up salesman on the timestamp currently shown on the screen.
Scammers will also share illegal copies of TeamViewer, Supremo and LogMeIn, aka support.me, one of which contains a potential backdoor, so this would mean scammers are firstly illegally distributing malware and malicious website code. They are also working against each other by potentially ratting one another.
The people who own the companies and who employ the scammers, who are often located in India, are usually the people who have made a living off of selling services such as custom pop-ups and information of how to make the pop-ups, and these people are in some cases located in the UK or the US and are the actual big money makers of the tech support scam rather than the people that actually carry out the tech support scam. They're basically the revenue generators for the people that are high up in the scam.
A call of us pretending to be in need of a custom pop-up is going to be shown here. The scammer then requests us to add him on Skype and proceeds to go into detail about the pop-ups and how they work.
First of all, let me just start with the parameter one. That's the first demo. It will work on Chrome, Edge and Mozilla.
Alright.
Not on Mac Safari. You can't close this one. You can minimize this one, maximize this one, but can't close. You can't open new tab. It's the RAM meter one. It will slowly and gradually increase the RAM of the computer and freezes the computer.
Ooh, yeah, I just tried to open it. It's crushed my entire browser. Oh god, that's good. Alright, so that's a really good one. I like that.
Second one we have, it's a BSOD. That's like your blue screen one. It would be like that. It's for all browser. If you want it for Mac Safari as well, it can be over there as well.
Have you got one of them hard drive safety delete? One of them pop-ups that goes, your hard drive will be deleted if you close this page. That's one of my favorite pop-ups. So do you have one of them available?
Yeah, that's the same one.
Alright, okay, because I really like that pop-up.
Yeah, you can close this one. You can minimize this one. You can maximize this one. You can't open new tab. You can't close the old tab from this one. You can customize the background color like black to blue or red, anyone you want.
Alright, I like that one though. That's my favorite one.
Third one we have, it's a pawn virus pop-up.
Pawn virus, alright. And does this lock the browser? Oh god, well that's a scary looking one, that isn't it, Lewis?
Oh, that one looks ideal, I think.
Yeah, that one looks very convincing.
What do you
I think if I saw that on my computer, I'd be pretty scared. I'd definitely call the number.
If that was on my desktop, I'd call it instantly. What do you reckon? Should we go for that one?
Yeah, I really like that one. But I also love the hard drive safety delete one. That's definitely my favourite.
That's pretty scary if you ask me. If I saw that on my desktop, I'd call the number.
Warning, your hard drive will be deleted if you close this page.
Are you able to...
Yeah, that's the background voice you guys are talking about.
Yeah. Are you able to change the...
Yeah, you can just
are you able to record
background
voice
similar to like that.
Are you able to make a background voice and put it on the pop-up? Like, if I record one?
Yeah, on this one we do have the pawn virus pop-up.
I'd just like to say, your desktop has been infected with the pawn virus. Call this number right now for support. You know, network security.
That's the one.
Event view or whatever, yeah.
We have over here.
So yeah, I do like that one. That's a good one.
That's the one we have over here. And the fourth one we have, it will hide the prevent box.
It will hide what, sorry?
Let me just show you. Close this one, you can't minimize this one. And the prevent box will be hidden over here.
Have you got you've got the memory leak ones, haven't you, as well, where it increases the RAM usage over time?
No, it will not increase the RAM.
Have you got that type of pop-up though? Did you show us that already?
Yeah, he already showed us that.
Right, I see. I think those ones are good because they completely freeze your browser.
So are you able to set these kind of websites up for us, or do we have to do that ourselves?
I'll just give you the whole source code of these pop-ups, and you can just put it on your domain and you can use it by yourself.
Alright, that's fine.
Like that, we'll hide some code and all those things. We'll give you the whole code. You can use it for your own hosting purpose. The fifth one we have, it's like a full browser pop-up, full screen pop-up.
Oh, is this the one that automatically full screens the browser? Oh,
Yeah,
those ones are good. Have you? What about the ones? Have you got the ones where you click the background and it opens a new instance of the window?
Yeah, there's a one click required over here.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see.
You can't minimize this one.
Yep, that's good. So yeah, if you had to make a choice now, what would you say? Which one do you think we should go through? Which one do you think we should go for?
Oh, what was it again? That one after
was
the
me,
hard drive save to delete. The one with the cross and bones, whatever.
If it was me, I'd like to. Yeah, the hard drive save to delete's a good one. We like the hard drive save to delete. So how will we go about getting that then?
Which one you like?
The hard drive safety delete.
Okay, the black one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the most convincing. If someone hears, that all their data's going to be deleted, if I didn't know anything about computers, I'd definitely call.
Are you able to send me the audio file just so I can listen to it?
Yep.
Thank you.
Virus alert, computer may crash in 5 minutes. Call Microsoft Expert 1-888.
Virus alert, computer may crash.
That's perfect.
Virus alert,
That's a good
computer
one, that.
may crash in 5 minutes. Call Microsoft
What do you reckon? Should we use that or make our own
1-888-3?
like hard drive save to delete message?
We'd have to make our own message because this message has a number in it already. So I'd have to. I'd just get a voice to text thing.
If you want the
Text
number
message.
to be customized, we can customize your toll-free number over there.
Oh yeah, that's what we'll have to do. Then we'll have to put our toll-free number.
All right. Can we get that pop up then? How do I buy it off you? Have you got like PayPal?
No, we accept Bitcoin.
And how
Unless
much?
you're, yeah.
How much does it cost?
The all browser would be like $450, and if you take it for just for Chrome and Mozilla, it will be $200. If you take it for Mozilla, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and Mac Safari, it will be $450.
So we've got his mobile number if we should need to contact him in the future, Lewis.
Oh, is this his name, Vishal?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Well, I really appreciate your help and you giving us the details today, Vishal.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll be in touch about the hard drive safety delete pop-up.
Okay.
We're just going to go buy some domains and set everything up. Right now, we've been interviewing some support representatives. Sorry. So we've got a few employees. We're just looking to get a few more, and then we'll get the pop-up set up and everything.
We'll get started on our tech support.
Right now we are paying
0.51 BTC.
0.51. Okay.
that's good.
That's brilliant. That is absolutely perfect.
Yeah, I've got a few bitcoins available.
So yeah, I'll shoot you a message when we're ready to buy it off you.
No issue. Whenever you want to buy that, just ping me over Skype itself.
Okay,
Right,
thanks,
we'll ping
Michelle.
you on Skype. All right, bye.
Okay,
Yeah.
bye-bye.
Oh my god. No
Mate,
way.
I just got him to give me all of his contact details.
Oh
So,
my god. This guy's going down. This guy is going
look at this.
down.
That's his number, his name, and his email address.
He is absolutely going down.
We could potentially get him arrested.
That is incredible. Another example of scammers distributing malware between one another is here, where a scam was advertising a download link to a file that helps you make your own custom pop-up, which was actually hosting a Dark Comet rat. And you can see the virus total scan here displays a 51 out of 53 detection rate, showing that most of the vendors are displayed backdoor.darkcomet or Dark Comet rat. These scammers, we have just discovered, are ratting each other while trying to make pop-ups for each other. As you can see, some instructions here. Right, so we've got this. We've got open the pop-up code, notepad. It's got a nice little notepad icon. Let's hover over it. Remote service application. Should we go into the detail?
Whenever you make a Dark Comet rat, if you don't enter any of the details, by default it'll just say remote service application by Microsoft Corporation, like that there.
That is about it for this video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed and found it useful. I really do hope this provided a good insight into the inner operations of the tech support scam. If you would like to check out ThunderTech, who helped me make this video, his channel is in the description, or you can click the annotation on screen now. Thanks for watching everyone, and goodbye.